These are 3 frequent truck vibration causes. Number 1 could be very obvious, uneven tire wear. And why is it caused? Because of problems on alignment, because of balancing, and also the tire pressure. A lot of people do not check the pressure as they should. Very little people balance their tires, especially the drive ones and the trailer ones. Normally they just balance the steering when they install it, but then they don't give any maintenance. And alignment. 3-axle alignment, and if you have a trailer, the same thing, you have to also align it. We see a lot of problems. I would say 80-90% of the trucks and trailers that we check in the shop, they are misaligned. So this causes uneven tire wear, and of course, the wear that you have in your tires is going to cause vibration. And you get tired of that vibration? Yes, I understand. So we can also help you sometimes shaving the tire and making it rounded again, and that is going to reduce the vibration. So if you want to check it with us, remember that we always inspect it free. Number 2 is your steering, your suspension. It's very important, of course, all the way from your, has a little bit of play over here in the U-joint, for example, your steering column, and then you have to check your steering gearbox, the pitman arm. You have to check the drag link where we suspect it. We have to check the tie rod ends over here, make sure that they don't have any play. Of course, we raise it up, we check the kingpins, we check the bushings. All of these components, steering and suspension, can cause vibrations, especially here in the steering. And they cause, of course, misalignment, and they cause uneven tire wear. So everything is related, you gotta check it. Number 3 is the drivetrain, the whole driveline, your U-joint, your carrier bearing, everything is related with vibrations because they also have a balancing. But very important, in your carrier bearing, center bearing, however you want to call it, sometimes it gets damaged very frequently because the inclination of the shaft is not the right one, it's not the proper one. So it gets damaged frequently, the U-joint the same way. So you have to replace your motor mounts. Motor mounts are very important because if they get damaged, they get compressed, they get broken, they get cracked, the engine is changing the inclination, the angle. So that is going to change the inclination of the whole drive shaft, and that is going to create vibration problems and also components to go bad. Check your motor mounts, check all your drivetrain because that can cause also vibration. And if you want to get your truck inspected, remember our inspection is always free. We have a simulator, the Truck Dancer, that is going to help us dynamically check all your components to find the reason of vibrations, so your handling, your comfort is increased. Bailada, the Truck Dance, is always free. Parts never lie.